Mould is a company with over 30 years of experience. Leader in manufacturing plastic injection moulds. Following the most demanding quality standards in all phases of development, we guarantee to always deliver quality, efficiency and precision. We use the latest technology in our manufacturing procedures, constantly updating it to achieve the high quality that our products are known for. With fully automated facilities for manufacturing moulds, tools and equipment, and employing 5-axis matching centers, erosion, wire cutting, grinding and laser welding machines that allow us to develop projects of high complexity and precision. Our 3D design department understands and follows all the necessary procedures for the proper manufacturing and verification of the product. Our customers value the attention to detail provided in our services through the quality department, where once the mould is finished, we conduct all kinds of tests to check its functionality and issue the proper certification. Mould is certified in compliance with ISO 9001 standard, and thanks to our investment in the latest technologies, we're able to offer competitive prices in the most demanding markets. Experience, trust and guarantee in terms of delivery are some of the values that set us apart from our competitors, and are also core values of the people who make up the Mould Group. Mould, leader in mould manufacturing.